Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what we've got so far from the Dress to Impress advent calendar. So we've only opened 4 days and here's what we got so far. So I'm just going to press E. Actually, I'm just gonna change my hair for a bit here so you can see like the hat we got. On the first day, we got the Santa hat, which is this one. On the second day, we got these boots. Let me just go and remove them. We got these. And on the third day, we got this one. Let me also remove my previous outfit. So we got this like cute outfit. And on the fourth day, we have this super cute bag. Let me just remove that as well. I actually really like this bag. It's like a bow. You can like put it in the front, put it default, or place it in your elbow. Well on it. And that's what we have so far from the Dress to Impress advent calendar. The fifth day I think will be a pose pack. So yeah, just make sure you join every single day for a special final reward. If you do miss a day, unfortunately, you cannot claim it again. So yeah, keep that in mind. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!